Today we are going to learn about efficient data management, unpacking Python tuples. We will explore advanced techniques to improve code efficiency and readability by leveraging tuple unpacking in various scenarios.
Welcome to our video on efficient data management, unpacking Python tuples. In this video, we'll explore the art of tuple unpacking in Python, a critical skill for writing clean and efficient code. Tuple unpacking allows you to assign multiple variables at once, making your code more readable and easier to manage. This foundational technique is not only useful for simple tasks but is also essential in complex data processing scenarios. Tuple unpacking in Python refers to the process of assigning values from a tuple to a sequence of variables in a single statement. This can greatly simplify your code by reducing the need for multiple assignment statements. For example, consider the tuple point equals 10, 20. Using tuple unpacking, you can assign these values to two variables with x, y equals point. This concise syntax improves readability and helps avoid errors that might occur when assigning variables individually. It's important to match the number of variables on the left with the number of elements in the tuple, otherwise, you'll encounter a value error. When dealing with tuples of varying lengths, Python's operator becomes invaluable. It allows you to unpack a tuple into variables while capturing any excess elements into a list. For instance, consider data equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Using a b rest equals data, the variables a and b will receive the first two values, while rest will capture the remaining elements 3, 4, 5. This technique is particularly useful in functions with variable length arguments or when only a portion of the data is needed. It also prevents value error by accommodating varying tuple sizes.
Nested tuple unpacking allows you to handle complex data structures efficiently. Consider a scenario with a nested tuple containing personal info. Person equals John Doe 30, engineer. Using nested unpacking, first underscore name, last underscore name, age, profession equals person, you can extract each element in a single line, enhancing clarity and efficiency. This technique is particularly useful in data analysis, where datasets often contain nested structures. It allows you to access deeply nested elements without cumbersome indexing and enhances the readability of your code. However, ensure the structure matches the unpacking pattern to avoid errors. Tuple unpacking offers a concise and efficient method for swapping variables without the need for a temporary variable. Traditional swapping involves multiple steps, using a temporary variable to hold one value while swapping the others. With tuple unpacking, you can swap two variables a and b using a b equals b, a. This one-liner not only simplifies your code but also enhances readability. Whether you're working with integers, strings, or other data types, tuple unpacking provides an elegant solution for swapping values seamlessly, making your code more efficient and less error-prone. In Python, tuple unpacking can be leveraged to pass multiple arguments to functions efficiently. By using the operator, you can unpack a tuple directly into function arguments, simplifying function calls and enhancing modularity. Consider a function def display underscore person first underscore name, last underscore name. You can call it with a tuple using person equals John Doe and display underscore person person. This technique avoids the need for manual argument extraction and makes your functions more flexible, accommodating different input structures seamlessly. It also supports maintaining clean and maintainable code, especially in large projects with modular functions.
Tuple unpacking can enhance the readability and efficiency of loops when iterating over complex datasets. For example, when processing a list of tuples, such as students equals John Doe 90 Jane Smith 85, you can use unpacking within a loop, for first underscore name, last underscore name, score and students. This approach allows you to access individual elements directly, without cumbersome indexing, and makes your loop easier to read and understand. It's particularly useful in data processing tasks where clarity and efficiency are paramount, ensuring your loops are concise and effective.
While tuple unpacking is powerful, it's not immune to errors, especially when dealing with unpredictable data. Common errors include value error when the number of variables doesn't match the tuple size. To handle such scenarios, use try-except blocks to catch exceptions gracefully. For example, when unpacking, wrap your code in try-except value error to manage mismatches. This approach ensures your code remains robust and can handle unexpected data gracefully, crucial in real-world applications where data integrity isn't guaranteed. Proper error handling prevents crashes and maintains the reliability of your programs. Tuple unpacking is widely used in real-world data processing tasks, streamlining operations like data extraction, transformation, and analysis. Consider a scenario where you read data from a CSV file into a list of tuples. By using unpacking, you can directly assign row elements to variables, simplifying data manipulation. For example, for name, age, salary and employee underscore data allows you to process each record succinctly. Unpacking is also instrumental in data cleaning scripts, where clarity and efficiency are vital. By leveraging tuple unpacking, you can enhance the readability and maintainability of your data processing code, making it more adaptable to various data sources.
In conclusion, mastering tuple unpacking is essential for anyone looking to write efficient and readable Python code, especially in data management and processing tasks. We've explored various techniques, from basic syntax to advanced nested unpacking, and seen how these can enhance code clarity and efficiency. By incorporating these techniques into your coding practice, you'll be better equipped to handle complex data structures and streamline your data operations. Keep practicing and experimenting with unpacking in different scenarios, and you'll soon find it an invaluable tool in your programming arsenal.